So rotation here is we're trying to rotate this shape into one of these. So I'll just make this a little bit bigger so you can see this. Okay, so I'm gonna try to rotate this. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna use this point and then we're gonna try to rotate it. So if I were to rotate this, then it's gonna look like, because this point has to come all the way here, so it's gonna look like this, 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 and this. And then my point here is now here. So I see, do I have any point that is similar to this? Let's see. Nope, no shape. So this one didn't work. Maybe I still need to rotate it more. So I'm gonna rotate this one all the way to here. So I'm gonna rotate this point. I'm gonna rotate it here. So it's gonna look like this. This, 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 this. So I'm gonna rotate it here like this. And then that point, which is here, is now here. So now which one is it? We look. Oh, it's right here. It's C. Okay, so my answer would be C. Okay, so this would be it. Right. So this was it for reflection. And then here we have, sorry, this was it for rotation and reflection and the definitions. Okay, so here, practice for you to do reflection images. So when your image is being reflected, it's like a mirror. So you see one thing and then it has to be the exact same thing. So here, do these pictures look like they are reflected? Yes and no. So it's simple answers, yes and no. And then down here, draw each image reflection. So you're gonna try to reflect this to this. The best way to do this is actually if you do this on like a blank sheet of paper and you cut it out and then you reflect it. So like make a line and then reflect it and it will give you an idea of how it's gonna look like. Or like for this one here, why don't I do one of these for you? Let's see. I think I just lost my pen. Okay, so my box is back. Okay, so now I'm going to reflect this on the line. So it's like one line down here. So I'm going to do one line. So my lines should look like this. Because if I have one space between them, then it has to be one space in between. Okay? And then this is one up here. So this is going to be one. And then this is one. So this is going to be one. Then this to the side, so this is going to be to the side. This is to the side, this is going to be to the side. And then this is like a triangle like this. You guys excuse me because I'm writing on the computer and it's hard to do it with your fingers, you know. Okay, so that's a reflection. Okay, I will erase my answers because I want you to do your own. Okay, and then same thing. I would like you to go down and do this and post the pictures in here. I also put your rotation in here. Okay, this is not a lot of worksheets, so please don't, say, oh my god, I have to do so much. You really don't. These are like super easy stuff. Yeah, and I'm gonna give you time to work on it. Okay, so rotation is turning a point of rotation. So when you're showing a new shape, you're rotating the image. So you could cut this on a paper and then you see what would happen. We're just trying to move it down. So now when I'm moving it, I'm rotating it. So this is clockwise, this is counterclockwise, and then it's moving a quarter because it's not moving all the way, it's like moving just a quarter, and then that would be a half, and then that would be a full move. Okay, so now draw the reflections: a quarter, a half, and 3/4. I will do this for you in the next video.